Hi, I'm Stacy with Electronic Adventure, and we've got this brand new Sharp remote control. It's in stock and it's shipping today. So if you need this remote, it's a great day to buy it. We're offering you $5 off your order, and all you have to do is enter a simple coupon code at the online checkout. So you know we've been in business for over 20 years, and we stock over 300,000 remote controls. They're brand new, they're not used, they're not universal. And all you have to do is put the batteries in. There's no coding or programming you have to do. So place your order today. We're going to ship it out within 24 or 48 hours. If you're not 100% satisfied, we have a no questions asked return policy. So you have 30 days, no questions asked. You can always just send it back. So there's a link below. You can click it there and take you right to the website, place your order. But if you're more comfortable shopping over the phone, one of our operators will be there to assist you. Thanks for watching our video today, and thanks for shopping with Electronic Adventure.